Today I'll be showing you how to save your effects as preset in your mixer channel. Now, if you have some effects that you have layered down and you like how everything sounded and you want to save it so that you can reuse it in the future or so that you can make your workflow easier, what you need to do is just to right click on the channel, go to file, come to save mixer track state as, click on it, write the name you want to save it as. So let's say wide vocal, wide vocal, yeah, wide vocal. Then click save. Now you have saved it. You can come here, go to file, come down, and you see wide vocal. Once you click on it, all the effects will appear here. So this makes your workflow faster and easier. Or sometimes you might be creative enough to, come up with something, and then if you don't save the precept, you may not be able to come up with that in the future when you're working. So precepts are actually good because it makes your work faster and easier.